Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive. Today we're tackling video editing trends,
Yeah, the stuff that's going to be huge.
the stuff that'll make your video stand out, whether you're a total beginner.
Or you've been doing this for years.
Exactly. We've got two awesome sources to help us unpack all this.
Yeah, let's see what we got.
All right, so we've got 10 video editing trends from Outsource Accelerator.
And then there's the future of video editing, trends and predictions from the Lightworks blog.
So if you're curious about what's changing in the world of video editing,
And how to stay ahead of the game, you're in the right place.
because let's face it,
Video is everywhere.
it's not even a question anymore,
Right. It's how we consume information,
how we connect.
how we tell stories.
Exactly. So understanding the trends is super important.
For sure.
Whether you're creating videos yourself,
Or just watching them.
it helps you make smarter choices.
Absolutely.
All right, so both of our sources say that short-form video is king.
Yeah, that's not even a surprise at this point.
It's like the whole kingdom, not just the king.
I know, right? But it's interesting to think about why.
Yeah, why is that?
I think it's because we're just bombarded with so much content all the time.
Oh, totally.
So short form video, it's like this quick hit.
Like that little bite-sized piece of information that we can digest really quickly.
Yeah, in a world that's moving so fast.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like nobody has time to sit through a 30-minute video anymore.
Unless it's super compelling.
Yeah, unless it's something you're really invested in.
So as video editors, we need to be thinking about how to grab attention instantly
Like right from the start.
and deliver a complete message in a really short amount of time.
Yeah, like TikTok, for example. You can go up to 10 minutes now.
Wow, that's a lot for TikTok.
I know, right? But the videos that really go viral,
They're usually way shorter.
like under 3 minutes, even under a minute sometimes.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And then there's X, the platform formerly known as Twitter.
Yeah, what's going on with that?
They cap videos at 2.2 minutes
So it's really pushing us as editors to be more concise.
to really make every second count.
It's not about fancy transitions or effects anymore.
It's about strong visuals.
Yeah, quick cuts.
And delivering that message before the viewer scrolls away.
Absolutely.
Okay, speaking of fast-paced,
What do you got?
live streaming.
Oh, yeah, that's exploding.
Outsource Accelerator actually predicts that the live streaming market is going to reach over $400 billion by 2030.
Whoa, that's insane.
It's huge.
But it makes sense, right? Live streaming.
It taps into our desire for that in-the-moment feeling
Totally. It's like you're right there with the creator.
as it's happening.
You're part of the experience.
It's like instead of just watching a play, you're actually in the audience.
Yeah, and you can interact with the performer.
You comment, you can ask questions.
It's a whole different level of engagement.
And the cool thing is,
Tell me.
live video editing is starting to catch up.
Oh, really? How so?
Like platforms like Twitch.
Yeah, Twitch is all about that live stuff.
They're doing real-time transitions,
So cool.
overlays.
Wow, so it's becoming more and more dynamic.
It's not just about pointing a camera and streaming anymore.
It's becoming a whole production.
It's like a live TV show.
It's blurring the lines, for sure.
All right, now let's talk about something you see literally everywhere.
What's that?
Vertical video.
Oh, man, vertical video.
It's like it's taken over the world.
And for good reason.
It's how we hold our phones, right?
Exactly. It's the natural way to watch videos on our mobile devices.
So it's no surprise that it's become the dominant format.
It's just more comfortable to hold your phone that way.
And as editors, we need to adapt to this shift.
Definitely.
We have to think about framing and composition in a whole new way.
Because the 9.16 aspect ratio,
It's all about filling that phone screen.
it's like the video is taking up your entire field of vision.
Exactly. It's so immersive.
And it demands a different approach to storytelling.
All right, ready for something even cooler. Interactive videos.
Oh, yeah, those are getting interesting.
Outsource Accelerator mentioned shoppable videos.
Yeah, where you can buy stuff right from the video.
It's like the future of online shopping. Imagine watching a video and being able to buy the clothes the person's wearing.
Or the gadgets they're using.
It's so seamless.
It's all about making the viewer an active participant.
Instead of just a passive observer.
You're not just watching anymore, you're engaging with the content.
And Outsource Accelerator also talked about 360-degree videos.
Oh, those are mind-blowing.
They're crazy. It's like being dropped right into the action.
You can look around in every direction.
It's like VR, but without the headset.
And as editors, we have to think about that whole 360-degree space.
We're not just crafting a story, we're building a world.
Yeah, we need to think about where the viewer might look.
What they'll see.
How to make it truly immersive.
It's a whole new level of storytelling.
For sure.
Okay, but before we get too futuristic,
Let's bring it back down to earth.
let's talk about something a little more grounded.
Okay, what's that?
Resolution.
Yes, the never-ending pursuit of picture-perfect clarity.
Exactly. 4K is becoming the standard.
It's pretty much expected these days.
And that means we need to invest in the right tools.
To create those crystal clear videos.
Because viewers can tell the difference.
They definitely.
They want that sharp, detailed image.
And it's not just about making things pretty.
Right, it's about enhancing the viewing experience.
Higher resolution means more detail.
A richer experience for the viewer.
And ultimately a more impactful story.
Think about it. Would you rather watch a movie on a tiny, grainy screen?
Or a huge high-definition one.
There's no comparison.
Okay, now for the big one.
AI.
This is where things get really interesting.
A little scary, too.
Yeah, definitely a bit of both.
The Lightworks blog really went all in on this topic.
And it's no wonder AI is revolutionizing the way we edit videos.
It's like having a superpowered assistant.
Who can handle all the tedious tasks?
And even suggest creative ideas we might not have thought of ourselves.
It's wild. So what are some of the cool things AI can do in the editing room?
I'm glad you asked. Imagine this. You're editing a video interview,
Okay, I'm with you.
and the AI can analyze the speaker's facial expressions and pick out the most impactful moments.
So it's like it knows what's going to resonate with the audience.
Exactly. It can also take care of things like color grading,
Oh, that's a huge time saver.
creating subtitles,
Super helpful for accessibility.
even generating voiceovers and digital avatars.
Whoa, hold on. Digital avatar.
Yeah, like imagine having an AI version of yourself that can narrate your videos.
That's crazy, but also kind of cool.
And get this, you can now edit using text-based commands.
Wait, what?
So if you want to cut a specific phrase from a video,
Okay.
you could just type it
No
out.
way. That's insane. So much easier than scrubbing through the timeline.
Right. It's like magic.
It's mind-blowing. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room.
What's that?
The concerns about AI.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like, what about job displacement?
Are robots going to take over all the editing jobs?
And what about the worry that we're losing that human touch in storytelling?
If we let AI do everything, will our videos start to feel soulless?
Those are valid concerns.
They are.
But I think the key is to remember that AI is a tool.
It's not a replacement. It's an extension of our capability.
Exactly. It's up to us, the humans, to use it responsibly.
And creatively.
It's about finding that balance between letting AI handle the technical stuff.
And preserving the heart and soul of storytelling.
I like that, finding the balance.
Okay, so moving beyond the computer screen itself.
Interesting. Where are we going?
Let's talk about VR and AR editing.
Oh, wow. We're getting really futuristic now.
The Lightworks blog made it sound like we're not just editing videos anymore.
What are we doing then?
We're editing entire experiences.
Whoa, that's the next level.
It's like stepping into the video you're working on.
So instead of just watching it on a screen,
You're immersed in it.
you're in the environment.
You can move around in a 3D space.
Yeah. Adjust the camera angles.
Even interact with objects.
It's like instead of just editing a video of someone walking through a forest,
You could actually walk through the forest yourself.
within the editing software.
It's incredible.
It sounds like we need to add VR headsets to our editing toolkit.
Maybe one day. But seriously, it's a whole new frontier of storytelling.
It changes everything about how we think about video editing.
And speaking of new frontiers,
What else is there?
let's not forget the power of voice.
Ah, yes, voice control.
Like voice recognition is becoming a game changer for accessibility
Definitely.
and hands-free editing.
So convenient.
Think about editors with disabilities.
It can make editing so much more accessible for them.
And for anyone, it's great for those quick edits.
Or if you want to multitask while you're working.
It's like you can be cooking dinner and editing a video at the same time.
Whoa, that's multitasking to the max.
It's about making editing more intuitive, more natural,
Almost like talking to the software.
telling it what you want it to do.
I like it.
Okay, last but not least,
Hit me with it.
we got to talk about the cloud.
Oh yeah, the cloud is everywhere these days.
Cloud-based editing platforms are becoming more and more popular.
They are? Why is that?
The Lightworks blog highlighted a few key reasons.
I'm all ears.
First, they're accessible from anywhere.
Oh, that's convenient.
You can literally edit a video from your phone on a mountaintop.
As long as you have internet access.
Exactly. Second, You can scale them up or down as needed.
So if you need more storage or processing power,
You can just upgrade your plan.
easy peasy.
And third, they're often more cost-effective than traditional software.
Especially for beginners who don't want to invest in a bunch of expensive equipment.
And let's not forget about collaboration.
Ah, yes. The power of teamwork.
With cloud-based editing, multiple people can work on the same project at the same time,
So you can have a team of editors all working together.
no matter where they are in the world.
That's amazing.
You can give each other feedback instantly.
No more emailing files back and forth.
And it's way easier to keep track of all those different versions.
Version control is a lifesaver,
It's like having a virtual editing studio.
where everyone can jump in and contribute.
It's so cool.
I'm excited to see where cloud-based editing goes in the future.
Me too. It's definitely a trend to watch.
For sure.
And speaking of collaboration, remember all that talk about short-form video blowing up?
Yeah, totally.
Well, that's fueling this huge surge in user-generated content.
It's like everyone's a filmmaker these days, right?
Seriously. The tools are so accessible now.
You don't need a fancy camera or crazy expensive software.
Like your phone and a bit of creativity can take you pretty far.
That's the beauty of it.
It's like video editing used to be this exclusive club,
Yeah, like you needed special access or something.
But now it's an open invitation for anyone to join.
It's democratized the whole process.
Big time.
You could be a teacher sharing knowledge,
A traveler documenting adventures.
an artist expressing themselves through video, all kinds of stuff.
It's about giving a voice to everyone.
I love that.
And it's not just about creating content for, like, the masses.
Right. It's personal, too.
Video editing is
Yeah.
awesome for capturing personal moments.
Yeah, like those family vacation videos.
Exactly. Or highlights from, your kid's soccer season.
It's about preserving memories
And creating something you can look back on and, like, relive those moments.
and share with others.
Exactly. It's powerful stuff.
It really is.
Okay, shifting gears a bit.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's talk about instructional videos.
Oh, yeah, those are everywhere.
And for good reason.
They're so helpful.
Right, like it's such an effective way to learn
Whether it's cooking,
coding.
even video editing itself.
Totally. And for anyone out there who is a video editor,
Creating instructional videos is a great way to,
showcase your skills.
build a following.
It's a win-win.
You get to share your knowledge, help others.
And maybe even grow your brand.
I like it.
Okay, we've covered a lot.
We have.
But there's one more trend we can't skip.
All right, what's that?
Live video.
Ah, yes, live video. It's a beast.
It's become such a powerful tool
For sure.
for connecting with audiences. Like
Yeah.
right now in real time.
It's definitely a different ballgame, though.
It is.
You're making decisions on the fly,
Gotta be quick.
adapting to, whatever happens.
And trying to maintain a smooth broadcast.
That's a lot to juggle.
It's like live editing is its own art form.
I think so.
What are some of the biggest challenges you've faced with live video editing?
Oh, man. Where do I even start?
I'm curious.
I mean, first of all, there's zero room for error.
Yikes. The pressure.
You have to be so quick on your feet.
Anticipate what's coming next.
Have backup plans because things will go wrong.
Oh, I bet.
It's inevitable.
It's like you're a conductor leading an orchestra,
Oh, okay, yeah.
but the musicians are making up the song as they go.
That's a perfect analogy.
It's controlled chaos.
It requires a unique skill set, that's for sure.
Blending technical expertise, creative problem solving.
And a whole lot of adaptability. Totally.
So, stepping back for a sec,
Okay.
looking at all these trends.
What do you think this means for the future of video editing?
That's a good question.
The big one.
The landscape is constantly changing.
It is. It's like evolving so rapidly.
Technology is advancing like crazy.
And that's opening up so many possibilities.
But at the end of the day,
What's it all about?
it's still about the human element,
It's about us.
It's the stories we tell,
The emotions we evoke.
the connections we make.
You're so right.
It's not just about fancy software or tricks.
It's about using those tools to bring our creative visions to life.
Exactly. That's what makes it so exciting, I think.
It really is.
It's this constant journey of discovery,
Experimentation.
pushing the boundaries.
I love it.
So with all that in mind,
Yeah.
what advice would you give to someone who's brand new to video editing,
Oh, that's a good one.
just starting out?
I'd say don't be afraid to experiment.
Yeah, try stuff out.
Play around with different software, different techniques.
Find your own voice, your style.
Because there's no one right way to do it.
It's all about expressing yourself
Have fun with it.
and see where your creativity takes you.
I like it.
It's funny, we've been talking about all this cutting edge tech and trends.
No, the future of editing and all.
But I was just thinking of it when I first started.
Oh, way back when.
It was all about the basics, you know?
Totally. Like just learning to cut clips together.
Add some music, the simple stuff.
It's amazing how far things have come since then.
Seriously. Like, remember when you needed a whole room full of equipment to edit?
Oh, I totally remember those days. It was crazy.
And now you can pretty much do it all on your phone.
It's insane.
It's amazing how accessible it's become.
The barriers to entry have never been lower.
Which brings us back to something the Lightworks blog was talking about.
Oh, yeah. What was that?
That whole idea of everyone being a creator now.
Oh, right. The democratization of video.
That's so empowering.
It really is. It's like this wave of creativity.
Taking over the world.
And video editing is at the heart of it.
It's not just about making videos for YouTube or TikTok anymore.
It's about using video to share your ideas, your passions, anything.
Your own unique perspective, you know?
Exactly. Like you could be making a documentary about your community.
Or a travel vlog.
Maybe just a funny video to share with friends.
It's all about expressing yourself.
And connecting with others.
Through the power of video.
And who knows what the future holds.
Right. Like, as technology keeps
It
evolving,
can get even crazier.
we might be editing in virtual reality one day.
Imagine that.
Or using AI to, like, generate whole scenes.
Or create those interactive experiences that blend reality and video.
It's going to be wild.
But, you know, even with all that futuristic stuff,
Yeah.
there's something really important to remember.
What's that?
It's all about the stories at the end of the day.
The stories, right?
It's about capturing moments, emotions, ideas,
The things that make us human.
and sharing them with others.
You're right. The technology is just a tool.
It's the heart, the passion.
The creativity that really makes a video come alive.
Beautifully said.
It's like we're all storytellers at heart.
I think so.
And video editing is just one way we can share those stories with the world,
Exactly. And every story is worth telling.
no matter how big or small.
Couldn't agree more.
Well, on that note, I think it's time to wrap up our deep dive into the world of video editing trends.
Yeah, this has been awesome.
Thanks for exploring all this with me.
Of course, always a pleasure.
And to you, dear listener, thanks for joining us.
We hope you learned something new.
Maybe you got inspired to try something different.
Or maybe you even discovered a passion for video editing.
The world's waiting to see what you create.
So go out there and make some awesome videos.
And that's a wrap on today's episode.
We'll catch you on the next deep dive.